Hello, everybody, and welcome to a Google screen. So, in this episode, I'm gonna be new series. I'm going to be making showing you how to make a website using HTML and CSS and a bunch of different stuff. Well, I will not be doing JavaScript anytime soon, though. But let's get into it on how to get into the Cloud9 webpage. First, simply all you have to do is type Cloud9, which is what I'm going to do right now. And then once you click enter, you're going to want to go to Cloud9 Your Development, and then you're going to click it, and there's a bunch of stuff you can do. Mainly all you're going to want to do is click sign in with GitHub, although mine will sign in with Cloud9 because we're on that, not GitHub. And this, I'm not sure, but it's like another thing, like GitHub and Cloud9. So I'm going to go sign in using my password, and let's get in. There we go. So, now, see, I've done some web pages previously, so I'm just going to go into mine and show you what they're like. While it's loading, let's try to load this. See, when it's red, it means something's gone wrong. Yes. So far we got a bunch, and here's a little bigger one. So it's a lot bigger, actually. It's not a little bigger, it's a lot bigger. So, let's try and make our own now. So you're going to want to click File to save file, and save all. And then to look at your web page, you would make sure you have to save and everything's right in the code. And then click Preview, Live Preview, File, and it's already running. So, it should work. Now, and run should just make it save changes and stuff that you added, and refresh also helps do that. So let's make a new tab by simply clicking this little plus sign that turns green. You're going to click New File, and here we go, Brand New Document. So, before you start getting into the code or anything like that, simply all you have to do is type in doctype HTML. And while you're typing doctype HTML, before you type it, do a exclamation mark, cap, and type doctype with all capitals. You gotta make sure of this because it is very, very important. Otherwise, the entire web pages, you can have like a web page with thousands of lines in it with no doctype. You open your web page and you see nothing there. That's how important it is. So you always want to make sure you use capitals and exclamation mark. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Before you close it with greater than and less than sign, I forgot to mention that, use these to close it and open it. So you're going to probably go space, HTML, not capitals. Then you're going to put the last sign to close it off. And there's your doctype HTML. What that's basically saying is that this is an HTML web page, but still you need one couple more things. You're going to want to put in a special type of tag. Tags are like these, different like tags. Like there's paragraph, images, images will do stuff like that. And we can't show up the web page yet because it's not fully coded into a web page. So far, it's just going to be a big blank screen. So next, let's start by clicking start right greater than or less than. I'm not really sure, but let's go an HTML tag, not capital. Let's put the ending part of it. This is the first tag that you're going to want an ending. Some tags have put content in. You would do it like this. But for other tags, you would have to do stuff like this. Okay, so that's basically it. But there's something wrong with this code. Do you see it? Well, if you don't, it's right here. See, when it's an ending tag, you're going to always want to put a slash. That gives the computer, that tells the computer that it's, this is not going to begin it, and we're not having more than one HTML, and this is ending it. So, next, once you do that, first thing you're going to want to do, and you might notice it's still going to be a big blank screen. That's because you need content into your web page and user-friendly stuff. So first thing you're going to want to do is put a special tag called the head tag. And if you don't know about this, the head tag is all of this stuff right here if you're following my mouse. It is like one of the main parts of computers where you can see all your like links to stuff. Minecraft 1.7 sync, Minecraft 9 Minecraft, which is where I get my mods. A bunch of different things that you can get up, and that's pretty much it for the head. Then you have a bunch of stuff like videos and a bunch of other stuff. So let's also get the head tag going. There. And this one does need an ending. And it does not need content. Well, it needs content, but not inside, like you would see. Well, it doesn't need content, like, on a line. It's actually the title and stuff. That's where it's all in the head, that stuff. So let's go with head. There we go, head. And remember, always use the slash. Almost forgot. That's what's important. And when you use the head, you're mainly only going to need one line for all of HTML. And I think CSS might get a little different, but we'll get into that later. So, first, you're going to want to, as always, make a title for your webpage. This is the first thing that's going to come up. And titles are very important. Otherwise, it would be a webpage and someone's like, here's a webpage. What is it about? What is it called? That's why they're important. They basically state what the web page is basically going to be about. So anyways, let's make something called a head. Not a head. Let's make something called a title. A title tag is something that needs content, so you're going to have to do this. Title. See, I was telling you about that when we did the head and the HTML. So let's put this in, and let's start by making it a title. I'm gonna call this Evan's Website B World. For some reason, that's gonna be it called. So let's then the head. Let's get out of the head and let's make a new title. Actually, before we do that, let's get preview. we're gonna need to save before we do that. Save all. And once you save, you're gonna want to save as something. And we're gonna call it Evans the page. Perfect. Save. Now that should. That's not what I wanted to do, but preview running application. Okay, so something's wrong with it. Let's run it now. And go to preview. Now, let's finish by getting a tag called the body tag, which is one of the most important. Remember how I told you the head was all of this stuff? No, the body tag is all of the rest of the stuff. It might seem it's more important because it's so big and everything is in it, mostly. But actually the head is more important. And sometimes you can mess up with the body. Like once, when I was playing around with stuff, I put a body inside the head tag by accident. And think about it this way. So, does your body belong in your head? With your brain and stuff, skull? The answer is no. So, that's why you put it below your head in your website code, so you don't accidentally break something. So, let's make it now. So, next thing you want to do is make a body tag. And this one just is like the head, it doesn't need content. But although there's going to be content inside, like the title, and not in between stuff like the content inside, like the head, but yeah, I messed up. Hold on. Okay, guys. So, body, enter, body slash, oops, that's not a slash, that's an exclamation mark. There, that's better. Okay. Let's see, where can I go? So, let's see. Once you're done that, you have many choices what you can do. You can do pretty much anything. Apart from doing this, but because that won't work. And be careful if you're just clicking random things with your paragraphs. Just paragraphs, p tags, which we'll learn later, and putting content into stuff, just spanning any keys randomly. Be careful that you don't click Control Q, because what that basically does is close all your windows, slam down onto your desktop. Nothing will be up, and all your windows will be gone, which is all of these stuff will be gone, and all these and this. And if I was doing that while I was recording, it would probably just mess up the entire video. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you learned some new things. Sorry the website wouldn't come up, but make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.